Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday Real English from Real Life Podcast.
Welcome to Real English Podcast.
I'm Brendy,
And I'm Annie.
and if you enjoy what you hear today, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share with your friends. It really helps us out.
Don't stress if this sounds fast. This is how Americans normally speak. You'll hear it again slowly and clearly later.
So today we're doing a deep dive into something very, very American.
Yes, it's almost here. We're talking about Super Bowl party English, real reactions Americans use.
And this is really for, beginner to intermediate learners who just want to feel a bit more natural, a bit more confident this weekend.
Exactly, because you might be going to one of these parties and it can be a little intimidating.
Totally. So first, what even is the Super Bowl?
Right. Briefly, it's the championship game of the NFL, the National Football League.
But the important thing is that almost nobody actually goes to the stadium.
No.
The real event is the watch party. It's basically a house party. And it's so big that Super Bowl Sunday is like an unofficial holiday here.
It really is. And here's the best part. You do not need to understand football at all.
Not even a little bit. I promise you, half the Americans at the party are only there for the vibe.
Or the food.
Or the commercials.
Seriously.
It's a social event first.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning. You walk up to the door. What's the first hurdle?
Just arriving. You walk in, it's loud, it's crowded. The first thing to say is super simple.
You just say, hey, happy Super Bowl.
It sounds a little funny, right? Like you're saying Merry Christmas.
Yeah, but it totally works. It shows you're in the spirit of the day.
And then you might look around and say something like, wow, this place is packed.
And packed is a great word here. It means crowded, but in a good way. It's a compliment to the host.
Exactly. It says, you threw a great party.
Okay, so now comes the moment of truth. Someone asks you the question.
Yes. Who are you rooting for?
Which just means, which team do you support? And if you don't know the teams, you can panic.
But you don't have to. There's a secret strategy. You could always say you're rooting for the underdog.
The underdog. That's the team everyone expects to lose.
Right. And Americans love an underdog story. It makes you sound, thoughtful.
So let's practice that first greeting.
Okay. Repeat after me. Hey, happy Super Bowl.
Good. Now a little slower.
Hey, happy Super Bowl.
Perfect. Okay, but what if you don't even want to pretend to care about the game?
That is completely fine. This is what we call the non-fan strategy.
And honesty is the best policy here.
Totally. Don't fake it. Just be honest and pivot to why you're really there.
The number one most acceptable answer is, I'm just here for the food.
Everyone understands that. It's like the universal password at a Super Bowl party.
It really is. Another great one is, honestly, I'm just here for the commercials.
Which is also 100% true for a lot of people. The commercials are a huge deal.
Or you can just say, I don't really follow football, but the vibe is fun.
All of those are perfect. They let you participate without any pressure.
Let's practice the easiest one.
Repeat after me. I'm just here for the food.
Okay, so now the game is actually on. The TV is loud. People are yelling.
This is where you don't need sentences. You just need to match the emotion in the room.
So let's start with the positive stuff. Your team, or the room's team, does something good. Everyone cheers.
You can just say, oh, nice, or okay, that was good.
My favorite one is let's go.
Yes, let's go is everywhere. It's just pure energy. A good play happens. Let's go.
You just yell it with everyone else and you'll fit right in.
What about the opposite? The room groans. Something bad happened.
This is where you use sounds more than words. The number one sound is...
Oof. It's like the sound of getting punched lightly in the stomach. It shows you feel their pain.
It's empathy in one sound.
Another good one is yikes.
Yikes is for, like, a big, messy mistake. It's a bit more cringy.
Exactly. Or you can use a full phrase like, that was rough. Or even just, that hurts.
And you don't need to know what happened. You just hear the groan and you say, oof, that was rough.
And boom, you're part of the conversation.
Okay, what if something just totally crazy and unexpected happens?
You can go with, I didn't see that coming.
Or just, wow, that was crazy.
A newer one I've been hearing is, this is a moment.
Oh, I like that. This is a moment.
It just means something important or intense is happening.
Let's practice the most important one, that sound of sympathy.
Repeat after me.
Ooh.
One more time.
Ooh.
Simple, but so effective.
Now let's talk about the real star of the show.
The food.
The food. Super Bowl Sunday is the second biggest day for eating in America right after Thanksgiving.
And it's a specific kind of food. We're talking buffalo wings, pizza,
Chili and chips and dip. So much dip. Americans eat millions of pounds of guacamole on this one day.
It's incredible. And this brings us to a key phrase you will definitely hear, probably from someone standing right next to the chips.
Yes. They'll take a bite of something really, really good, and they'll say, "This is dangerous."
Dangerous sounds scary, right? Like it's poison.
But here, it means the exact opposite. It's the highest compliment. It means, this food is so delicious, I cannot stop eating it, and it's a danger to my diet.
Exactly. It's a joke.
Two other phrases you might hear are, "I'm pacing myself."
Which means you're trying not to eat everything in the first 5 minutes.
And the follow-up to, "This is dangerous," is usually, "I already regret this."
Which is another joke. It means you know you're eating too much, but you're doing it anyway.
Let's practice that key food phrase.
Okay, repeat after me. This is dangerous.
Begin slowly.
It is dangerous.
Let's move on to the other big non-football event.
The commercials in the halftime show.
Right. Companies pay millions of dollars for a 30-second commercial. They are a huge part of the entertainment.
And the halftime show is basically a huge concert in the middle of the game. A major pop star always performs.
So people will have opinions, and they're usually pretty simple.
Someone might see a commercial and say, that was actually funny.
Or that one was weird.
Very common one is just they spent a lot of money on that.
Which is always true. Let's try that one.
Repeat after me. That one was weird.
Slower now.
That one was weird.
Okay, I think we have all the pieces. Should we try to put it all together in a little role play?
Let's do it. So you're the host, and I'm just arriving at your party.
Sounds good. Okay, you knock on the door. Come on in. Happy Super Bowl.
Hey, happy Super Bowl. Wow, this place is packed.
Yeah, everyone showed up. So who are you rooting for?
Honestly, I'm just here for the food.
Haha, perfect. Well, help yourself. The buffalo chicken dip is over there.
Ooh, okay. Pause. Wow, this dip is dangerous.
I know, right? I already regret eating half of it.
TV noise.
Let's go.
Nice. That was good. TV noise.
Woo!
Yikes, that was rough.
And we barely even mentioned the game itself. It was all social.
Exactly. Okay, so the party is winding down. It's time to go home.
You can't just disappear. In America, we have a whole process for leaving a party.
The exit conversation.
Right. You have to announce that you're leaving. The most common phrase is, "All right, I'm gonna head out." Gonna head out. Not just leave. It's softer.
Then you absolutely have to say, thanks for having me.
And the host will probably say something like, "Thanks for coming. Drive safe."
Drive safe is a really common, caring thing to say. It's like a verbal hug.
And finally, there's the polite fiction we all use.
We should do this again.
This usually doesn't mean you're actually making plans. It just means, "I had a good time."
Yes, don't pull out your calendar. Just say, yeah, definitely, and then leave.
Let's just practice that first part, the announcement.
Repeat after me. All right, I'm going to head out.
One more time.
All right, I'm going to head out.
So if we recap everything, you've learned some small talk.
How to react to the game with, it sounds like oof and yikes.
How to talk about the dangerous food.
And how to leave a party politely.
And the biggest takeaway is that you don't need to be perfect.
Not at all. Confidence and just participating are what really matter. This is perfect prep since it's Friday. You're all set for the weekend.
Exactly. Just go have fun.
And remember to like, subscribe, and share the podcast if you found this helpful.
And if you want to review today's lesson, I upload a free PDF summary in the description and in the comments. Feel free to download it and study at your own pace.